This is Mirada, where resort-style living meets everyday ease. Nestled in San Antonio, Florida, Mirada is home to the nation's largest man-made lagoon, a stunning 15-acre oasis. Picture crystal clear waters, sandy beaches, and endless opportunities for fun, all just steps from your door. Spend your days kayaking, paddleboarding, or floating under the sun. Or simply unwind at the swim-up bar and soak in the ultimate Florida lifestyle. At Ryan Homes, we're proud to be part of this incredible community, offering stylish new townhome designs for modern living in the heart of Mirada. Here, amenities go beyond expectations. Lagoon access with water obstacle courses, slides, and cabanas. A dog park and playground for your four-legged friends and little ones. Miles of walking and biking trails, ultra-fi high-speed internet for seamless remote work and streaming. Golf cart-friendly paths for easy neighborhood access. And when you're ready to explore, San Antonio, Florida offers a small town charm with big city perks. You're just minutes from State Road 52 and I-75, giving you quick access to Tampa, Orlando, and major destinations like Tampa Premium Outlets, the shops at Wiregrass, Busch Gardens, and Disney World. Enjoy local dining favorites, boutique shopping, and endless entertainment options, all just a short drive away. Introducing our brand new Mayshort floor plan at Mirada, designed with your lifestyle in mind. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 1,600 square feet of living space. It's perfect for entertaining and everyday comfort. Plus, you'll enjoy the convenience of a garage for extra storage. And the best part, at Ryan Homes, we make home buying as easy as it is exciting. During construction, you'll receive weekly progress photos and videos, so you're a part of every step. Mirada isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're relocating, retiring, or upgrading, this community offers the perfect blend of leisure, luxury, and location.